What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. I was like, you know what? Let me come live and see what's going on and to tell you a little bit of a quick update about what I've been doing and what we've been doing, all of us, which is really been busy. So I hope Happy New Year to you guys. I hope you guys are really had a great time with you and your family. I hope this 2022 is going to be awesome for you. Hopefully it's going to be a new journey, whether you're doing in reselling, whether you're doing FBA, whatever you're doing in your journey. Hopefully I wish you nothing but the best and all the success. For me, I've been busy. I've been taking this time, which is the best time for us after Christmas, which is basically to source and to get the best deals possible. So I want to show you a little bit of what we have done, and at the same time I'll tell you my strategy, exactly what I've been doing and why I'm doing it. And I think now is the time for us to basically, for our business, for retail and arbitrage, is the best time for us to source a lot of products, because I found a lot of product at 50, 60, 70% off. As I told you, on Boxing Day we didn't have anything, but the day after we started having a lot of specials in the store, specials, manager specials. And as you see now, I am full again, packed. I don't even have space to move, not because I'm only big, just because I also have a lot of things that I had to source because they were very good deal. I don't want to let them go. Now, just to keep in mind, whatever I'm going to show you, I'm buying a lot of quantity of the same type of a product, but I'm okay with it to stick with them for 3 to 6 months, because it's a good stock that has a good BSR, has a very low BSR, basically good sales velocity, very good pricing, very good profit margin, and this is very important for me. But if you're starting off, I don't think that's a good strategy for you. I think you should go wide, not deep. So basically buy 2-3 units of the same item, but have multiple SKUs. But thankfully, I have a lot of SKUs that we've done. So let me show you a little bit of what I've done. So if you see, guys, everything is full back again. So if you see, everything on the top is full, everything is still, this was the old one, but this stuff that I showed you last time, but everything is full here, everything is full here. Where are you guys going?
Asking my something, and I don't think you want to know.
All right, so you see, as you see, the kids are here because we are in the lockdown, and the kids, they have no school, so they have to stick with us. But you have to do what you have to do in business. Unfortunately, I know I'm off topic, but we live in Quebec. Quebec is basically under lockdown. We have curfews, we have everything, so I wasn't able to actually ship any products. I wasn't able to source as much as I wanted because of the restrictions. And but it is what it is. We have to do the best that we can. I've been sourcing with my kids for when they didn't have school for almost a year, 2 years, always with me, and something to get used to it. So you have no excuses not to do it. We have spent a lot of good amount of money. I think so far all the stuff that you see here is around $35,000 worth of product. Let me show you also here. I know it's dark, but also here, you see, also here is all full. So hopefully I'll be able to show it to you. But I have a lot of things here. See, a lot of products, a lot. I'm telling you, a lot. So this one is actually, don't worry about it. There's all returns, but most of them are all. So this all retail online arbitrage that I sourced. If you see all the way down, I have very hard for you guys to see. It's very dark, but here, maybe you can see a little bit. You see all the way down here until here, all online arbitrage. But I have been doing a lot of sourcing. So let me show you what I got. And also here I have a little bit, you know what, I'm just going off tangent. See, I still have a box from online arbitrage. So let's go ahead and get to it, see what I have got. Now, I sourced a lot of things that have a lot of Barbies, which is things that usually they don't do very well if you buy them at a full price. You need to be able to have them at 50 to 70% to make money, especially Barbie. It's one of the products that Amazon on all the time, so it's very hard for you to make money unless it's really killer deal. So I was happy to do that, and I went with oversized because oversized usually they don't have much competition because of the limits on the oversized, and at the same time people don't like the hassle of going through these. So for these Barbie, I paid, they usually go for $160. I got them for $59, and you make around $40 profit. At the same time, if you see here, I have a lot of Legos. I'm going to show you a lot of Legos that I bought. This one is a retiring product. So for Legos, guys, if it's retiring soon, you need to make sure that you can snatch them, because once they're gone, they're gone. You will never be able to get more of them. And now for Legos, usually 2 to 3 years since the release, and then after that they retire, depending on the set. But this is where the good money is, and this is where I teach all my students, all the people in our group. They know how to do it, and something is really phenomenal. It did very well for me. I'm not talking about investment, because investment is not something I'm into. Investment, keep something, buy something, and wait for 2 years for it to go up. It's gonna go up regardless because inflation. I'm looking for something that I can take and flip within a month if I can, and this is the strategy. But anyways, let's move on. These ones are really good. I got them for half off as well. These, if you see, I bought multiple of these. You see I have here also, I bought all of them. These also has a very good profit. Now everything that I'm going to tell you, I have at least a return investment of 40% minimum, and then higher. There's some of them 100%, some of them 150, sometimes 200%, but this is rare depending on the product. But usually I aim for 30 to 40% minimum. So basically, if I spend $100 on a product, I'm expecting to get $30 to $40 as minimum. But thankfully, all the products that I have here, they really have a very good BSR, very good profit margin. That's why I want ham on them. I want really deep. At the same time, this Frozen, guys, it's a good toy. Frozen, once you see, this is one of the things. Let me see. See, I'm Elsa. But anyways, I look like a creeper. But hey, this is some of them. See, also I have some Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels, you have to be the same thing as Barbie. You need to make sure that you're really good at them. I have some here retired set as well. Kiddos. Let me show you also. I got really good deals on these wrestlers. These were half off, actually more than half off, 70% off, which is, I'm really happy with these you double up, which is, I'm really happy and grateful about that. These actually, I was very surprised. Dissecting kits for frogs. This one was 25. I paid 10 bucks for them. Actually, she's making the listings over there, creating a shipping plan, because we haven't done anything. The other thing is these, guys. These I got really good things. So this brand, Meccano, I don't know the names of them as much, so if I pronounce them wrong, hey, do not sue me or do not put it in the chat. I mean, not as if you guys killing the chat anyways, but anyways, this is one of the things that I did very well. These are 60% off, which is, I'm very happy. If you see here, I bought a lot of other kinds. This is another kind, which is really good. The same thing as Barbie. See here, I didn't go ham because Amazon on them all the time, but what I did, I just bought 4 of them. I have 2 here and 2 here as well. But you see here, there's a lot of dissecting things. I know it's a little bit limited, but let me show you. Also, I bought these. These usually in Christmas, they did very well for me. So these ones, they did very well for me. Supposed to be one of the hottest toy of the year. I bought them at regular prices and I was really doing good money with them. But now these, I'm just have bought them at 40% off, and they still do very well, which is, I'm very happy about that. I bought some kits like that. What? You got a Bugatti? Yes, a Bugatti. I got myself a Bugatti. These are assembling, what do they call these? Die cast metal model kits. So basically you build them up and do well. These are actually the same thing as the one there. So if I show you a little bit here, see these ones there, and these are the same kind of concept, but this is metal. The other one's like plastic. Baby Alive. This is really good deal. I got them. They're usually at 80 bucks. I got them for 35 bucks, half off. Now for 35 bucks, you make around $15 to $20, which is awesome. I bought a lot of these, and I also bought a lot of the other ones. These, see these I bought almost 30 of them. If you see all of it here filled, also in the back, and also I have in the back shelves also as well, which is really great. Now, you have to pay attention to a few things. Like few things that I bought here. This also Barbie, if it wasn't half off. Like this set is actually a retiring set. I think I should give you this set, guys. You can go ahead and purchase them. I got them for special. So just give me a second. Let me remove this. Boom. So this set, it's really cool. Number 76125. They're retiring soon. these, anything with Avengers, Legos, they really do very well, and they have a big theme that a lot of good followers, a lot of people, collectors love these. And now these, why they're special, because those minifigures that you see here, they go for good money. All these figures here, they go for good money. So people pay a lot of money for the minifigures. And I actually bought 10 of them. Now these I might not sell right now because they're gonna retire in a month or 2 months max. And then when I send them, I'll be able to make at least 50% return on investment, which is really great. At the same time, I had experience with these, which is really Nana. Nana does very well for us. They do very well for us. I got them for 60% off. They were $35. I get them for $14, which is really good stuff to look for. So if you're in the stores or anything, look at these, scan them, see how they do. And if you see here, there's multiple kinds. They really do well. So if you see, I bought a lot of them. Now, if you go, as I told you, do not go ahead and buy as much, guys. I think you should go 2 to 3. This is my honest opinion for you. Especially if you're starting off, you want to have more SKUs wide, and you'll be able to flip them. Flip a lot of products instead of just concentrating on one product, which just takes longer time to sell. Now, the same thing with Nerf guns. Nerf guns, they do very well. This one I was very lucky. Why? Because usually they're $45, but what happened is that they had a tag on their shelves in Walmart for $22. I got them. I got, I think, 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 8 of them. And when I went to scan them, the woman says, "No, it's $45 or 46." Like, no, they were tagged $22. She went, it was a mistake, and they gave it to me for $22. So that was a good deal. Now, this is not gonna sell as quickly. Even the BSR is very low, 5,000. But if I send few of them, it's gonna be awesome. A lot of competition, as I told you, oversized. They don't have enough limits for oversized storage. So I have some, so I'm very happy to be able to send them and be able to sell them slowly. The same thing with Monopoly. Now, Monopoly, honestly, it's hit and miss. If I was you, I wouldn't get into Monopoly a lot. If I didn't pay 60% off, sorry, they were like $30. I paid $11 for these, so what, 60% or something like that. I bought a lot of them here. If you see here, I see here a lot of them. These, they're gonna take time. On the profit margins are very low because Monopoly, usually Amazon on them all the time. If you see here, there's a bin here, full bin. I have, let me just get out. Guys. I'll tell you, no. You see this bin? It's filled up, and there's another bin the same size, and the other way is also filled up. It's a mess, and I also have a lot of bins underneath here, but not in this side. And the other side I'll show you later on. Now, this has been done, but don't forget, that was all empty, right? Now they're all filled up. So, here we filled up back again. You see, we filled up back again. Here, they're all filled up again. This is all filled up. This is all filled up. All Legos. All Legos. It's really awesome. What's that?
And Baby Alive up.
And Baby Alive, yeah. Baby Alive here, a lot of them. And also, if you guys look into those snakes, these snakes, they usually do very well. See, I have a lot of them because they run out of stock very often. These ones, I buy them for regular price. I think one in our group, Peter, that's for you, man. And Luke, you were asking me about replenishable items when you do retail and arbitrage. Usually you're gonna find some products that are really replenishable, and this is one of them. It's basically, I buy them for $12-13, and you make like $7 to $8. So, and they run out of stock a lot often. I'm talking about Canada, so just to keep in mind. Now, these, you guys, I add up some more, which is really awesome. These are really good. This one here, these are really good. If you'll be able to get some of these, they're really awesome. They're retiring, as I showed you here. And now, sorry, let's say hi to camera. Hello, say hello. Hi, yes. All right, sorry, I'm gonna let them go, and I'll show you now. See, this bin here is full. Then I have 2 bins inside as well. They're full. So let me see if I can. I just don't have lights enough. Sorry, I mean, you're in storage unit, so let me just show it to you here. Look at that. You see that? This is all the stuff that we have. All here, and also, I wish I can reach, but I don't. If you see there, also is all full. I cannot pass. And also here, if you see, they're all full. But let me put that back. Okay. And that's it. So this is what I was talking to you guys about, is stuff that really I'm full. I bought a lot of things. Everything, we're back again full. The business doesn't finish. You have to have consistency. You have to do very well with it, and we have to keep moving. And hopefully the next video I'll talk to you about why I'm not growing enough and why I'm not going to be able to grow if I don't do this one thing. But hopefully that will be the next video. So if you guys, if you like this video, you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comment, leave it in the description below. And also, if you have any questions, let us know. If you have any hauls, share it with us. And I hope you guys see that we're still doing it. It's not one hit wonder kind of thing. And I'm very excited to get these things done. So this week and next week, we're gonna just be working on making a shipping plan and making shipping and ship all this stuff in, because I have not much in the storage. In Amazon, I have not much products at all. I have, I think, total units, 200 units. And basically, what's that, 30 SKUs or 50 SKUs max, which is not enough. Usually I'm aiming for 600 to 800 minimum of SKUs, but it is what it is. So take care of yourself. I hope that was enough, a quick update for you. And if you want to see anything more or any subject that you would like to discuss, please leave it in the comment. Take care, everybody, and see you next one.